Jazz Blast. This is the tutorial for Jazz Blast, right? So, as always, we're going to check for the right hand, left hand, playing both, one in the treble clef, one in the bass clef, right? And we're going to first look at the right hand. The piece doesn't have any sharps or flats. The time signature is 4/4, meaning 4 beats in a measure. Okay. The first note is on the first line. The first line is E, and it's flat. E flat means that you will be playing the E to the left. E flat, the black key to the left, half step down. Okay. Then you notice that it says staccato. Those little dots tell us that we play those notes staccato. The staccato articulation is played like that. So you touch with a fingertip, right? And you gently bounce with your wrist. Okay? So it goes E flat, C, C, E flat. So you notice that you move to C and F, and then there is another chord, C, F. We don't repeat it because these two notes have the same name and those two notes are in the same space, right? So when that happens, it means it's a tie. You're going just to continue holding for the duration of these two notes as well. 1, 2, and this is going to be 3, 4. We don't repeat it. Then we keep going. Fifth finger on G. G, F, E flat, C. And you want to sink into each note because these notes are not staccato, right? They are just regular non-legato notes. Then the next note is below the middle C. It's under the ledger line, right? And it's also flat. So if this is middle C, this is right under it. It's one step down, right? So it's B, and also it has to be played as B flat because it has accidental sign right in front of it. So it's B flat, B, C. And notice that again, C is going to be tied, right? And then you will need to cross over. You will have to play C and then cross over and then return nice and gentle. I'm gonna do it one more time. It's from the beginning. E flat, C, C, E, F and C, lift. G, F, E flat, C, B, B, C. Next line. You're gonna do the same thing again. E flat, C, C, E, F. And then there is a whole rest. And then you finish. This is E flat, right? The first line. And one more tie. And then the next line has 2 measures. Right hand has rests, then quarter rest. And then these are 8 notes and they're connected, right? You're going to play them smoothly. These are not non-legato. These are actually when you drop and you roll from note to note, right? This is going to be connected, smooth. How do we do that? We drop and we just switch from finger to finger, bringing the wrist a little bit together with the fingers. Then there is half rest, and then the chord is line, 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 right? Starting on middle C, it means you're gonna skip a note. C, E flat, G. And it says that you're gonna play it staccato, and there's little accent. So how do we play that? We prepare 1 and 5, and you can practice just playing those 2 notes. And then you try to also put the third finger on the E flat and sort of gently, like kind of push away, like if you are pushing away a swing, right? Away from yourself. Nice and gentle.